Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1957 Belair Convertible. It is a real VZ car, so it started life as a Belair Convertible. 265 under the hood, automatic transmission, sitting on big wide whites. Beautiful color combination with white, with the red and silver interior. This one's got a Continental Kit, really sets it off nicely. Beautiful straight body, chrome and stainless. Runs and drives great. Iconic 57 Chevy Convertible. Man, look at the chrome on this thing. Absolutely awesome. T3 headlights up front. Correct hubcaps. Very nice fit and finish on the Continental Kit. These panels are straight and beautiful. T3 on this side as well. Well, 265 under the hood. Very correct. 2-barrel carburetor. No power brakes, no power steering. It's got a manual top as well. Pretty cool. Nice big lofty bench seat up front. Showing 24,020 miles. Get the key in. Oops. It's probably this key. Oops. There we go. Beautiful car. Got a great sound to it. Sounds like it's got glass packs on it. Runs great. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.